Guys, so with this video, this is for the 3 branches of government extra. So outside of your booklet, you were given 2 separate extra assignments. So you have this small one, which this one is really more of just like a visual aid. So there's not much that I need to explain to you guys here other than what to do on this assignment. So you already have this, exactly how it is. It's already cut out for you. And then you're going to be putting these under their titles. So you're going to cut out the ones for the executive branch and you're going to glue the pictures here with their description, the one for the legislative branch and the one for the judicial branch. And all you have to do is cut them out, okay? So that is that assignment. For this one, you do need a little bit more instruction, but I'm sure you guys can kind of tell what you need to do. On a separate piece of paper, you're going to cut the title out, glue it at the top, and then you're going to cut out these little triangles. And remember, we always cut along the thick line, and the dotted line means that's where you're going to fold. And just how you see it here is exactly how you're going to glue it onto your page, okay? And then you're going to have this little flap where you will write down your answers, okay, in full sentence form when available. I'm going to read the options on every single page in case you're working on this alone, okay? So this is the first one, the legislative branch. For the legislative branch, this one says, the number of representatives each state gets is based on what? So you'll go back in your text and you'll be able to find the answer to that question. This one says, the number of representatives, the House and senators in the Senate. So what is the number? This one says, true or false? The First Lady is the head of the Senate. And this one says, why is the legislative branch important? So you're answering a lot of the same questions that you have already answered, okay? Executive branch, exact same instructions. And you guys can cut these out and make them colorful if you choose, or you can just leave them blank, okay? So the first question for executive branch says, the president is the commander-in-chief of what? The next one says, the cabinet includes the next one. True or false, the cabinet is the head of the executive branch. And the last one, is the executive branch the most powerful branch? And for the last page, the judicial branch. Same instructions, same setup. First question, who nominates the Supreme Court justices? Why is the judicial branch important? True or false, the Supreme Court justices aren't elected by the people. And the last one, when something is unconstitutional, it means. And that should be it for that. If you have any more questions, guys, please feel free to Skype me. My email address is how you can find me on Skype. Okay, guys? I hope that helped, and stay tuned for more videos on your other assignments. Bye.